Hello everybody and welcome to a little game called Space Engine. And Space Engine is one of those games where I'll hear in passing. Like I've heard this game in passing. I hear like maybe one or two people every single Universe Sandbox video say like, hey, play Space Engine, but it's one of those things that I don't know why. I see it, I see the suggestion, but it goes through one ear and out the other. Space Engine. And then tonight I was about to go to bed and I looked up a trailer finally for Space Engine, and it just hit me. Why the hell haven't I played this game? And I don't have a straight answer for you why I have not played this game. I just didn't think of it. And now I'm playing it, and I'm excited. And then I got right out of bed as soon as I saw a trailer for this game. That just gives you an idea of how excited I am to play this game. So let's play Space Engine. Ooh, okay. Velocity. So am I in orbit around the Earth right now? Velocity. How do I zoom out here? That is ooh. This seems like it's gonna be a very different game. Ooh, we got the Aurora Borealis here. This is gonna be hard to get used to. I feel like I'm powerless in this newfound universe. This is not Universe Sandbox. So this is just enabling and disabling stuff. Ooh, this is okay. So this shows all the orbits of the different planets from my view. So I guess like that's the orbit of that planet and that planet. I'm assuming I'm orbiting this. And then everything is orbiting that, obviously. This is a game that's like still in beta. Like you can't get this on Steam or anything. You have to like get it from the actual website. It's all free. This is actually a free simulation. And I don't think it's technically a game, but I'm gonna call it a game. It's a simulation. And you can download it for free from their website. Water disabled. Clouds disabled. Alright, we're gonna turn this whole planet into the state of California. Disabled! I'm like playing No Man's Sky right now, but it's like a simulation of a bunch. This view stuff is really weird. It's like a simulation of an entire galaxy. So can I go to the center of the galaxy right here? I would like to go 24,000 light years. Probably going to break the game. I think I might have broken the game. I broke the game by searching stars within a 24,000 light year radius. Alright, let's not do that. Let's not do that. So that's the planet where I was just at. I can actually go to all these planets and it's not gonna load at all. Look at that shit. Zoom past that. That looks pretty cool. Man, imagine being able to go like the speed of light. You can just travel around the universe like this. It's like, oh, they all are spherical objects. So does this mean I can go to the center of the galaxy? Oh, this is so weird. Okay, I would like to go to this object over here, turn my acceleration to c squared, fly extremely fast. Oh my god! Okay. This is gonna be the ultimate test. Can I fly to the center of the galaxy? I'm accelerating at 87 astronomical units per second squared, many light years per second squared, and now all of these stars. Okay. It's a different kind of game. I feel like I don't have any control right now. I don't know how to control anything. But my god, pretty much going faster than the speed of light already. The light speed, it's not a factor in this game, so that's good. So eventually I'll make it to the center of the galaxy, right? Holy shit, accelerate even further. Now we're just gonna go to... We can go to the center of the galaxy! Oh my god, okay. Okay, hold on, I need to decelerate, I'm losing control here! I need to completely change my speed. Hold on, I mean, oh my god. Okay, I would like to get off the acceleration setting here. So now that we've left the galaxy, does that mean we can go to other galaxies? You can go to other galaxies? Oh yeah, and I realized my face cam is covering up a bunch of stuff. It's not any important information anyways, don't worry. At least I'm not looking at it, so what's the point of... Oh my god. Okay. Well, since we have left the galaxy, now we are seeing all the other galaxies that are around, so... Will this game go as far as being able to travel to the cosmic microwave background, which is the... Basically, we're traveling to the Big Bang. We're traveling further in time. If you can travel at light speed, and theoretically you can go back in time. I think. At least that's what it seems like when you think about it. The universe was created 14 something some odd billion years ago. So that distance, the equivalence of that distance, the light from the Big Bang would just now be approaching us. But when you think from the perspective of that exact point in space, some 14-something billion light years away, something, yes, where we're standing right now would just, it will take that many years for this point in time to reach, that point in space right now. But that means at that point in space, the light from the Big Bang is just reaching them. So when you think about it, every point in space is technically the center from the universe if you think of like from that reference frame. So if we can travel faster than the speed of light, we can technically reach the edge of the universe. From the point before the Big Bang. And I don't really think this is accelerating any further, by the way. So now I'm traveling 17 gigalight years. Have I just reached the edge of the universe? Oh boy, I've reached the edge of the universe. This is uncharted territory. I don't think even the greatest explorers would believe that I should go to this point. Okay, I've reached the edge of the universe. I would like to go home now. I would like to go home. Am I even in space now? Am I just in complete darkness? Do I even have coordinates? Go to, there we go. This can get me back into the universe, I think, right? Okay, take me back into the universe, thank you. Okay, well, I went very fast there. Okay, the scale of this really makes, it really puts things into perspective. We're not alone. We are not alone. We cannot be alone. Earth, in the midst of all of this, cannot possibly be alone. How the hell can I just want to visit this one galaxy. Just this one galaxy. Please, just this one. Just one. Maybe this is why we've never been visited by aliens. They don't know how to control their ships. I'm just trying to hone in on the Milky Way here. It's not even the Milky Way, but you know what I mean. They're trying to visit us, but it's like, holy shit. We're going so fast. There are so many galaxies to choose from, and I just want to pick this one. Please. This is the edge of the universe, right here. We actually found the edge. Unless this is predicting the heat death of the universe, right here. Look at that. It's just suddenly an edge. That's all it is. And then it's just the black void. And eventually, you just see nothingness. But I want to go back. I have to go back. I gotta go back in time! Then we'll go right back to the other side. We're gonna shoot right past. We had to, oh Jesus. Okay, we just completely lost the universe. Can't breathe here. Doomed life. Let's go to doomed life. So doomed life? Oh, it looks like Earth. Is it saying we're doomed? Moon of a binary planet. Go to this. Oh, look at that. Ooh, now we're actually kind of like sitting on this planet. This is cool. Now I want to take off. Take off from the planet and go to the actual planet. Oh, so this is the moon and this is the binary planet system. Ah. Well, we're taking off from the moon and we're going back to Earth. Houston, we have no problem here. God, look at those light effects. That's amazing. This is so weird to me. This is like... Normally I expect this to be like, okay, this is a picture. I'm looking at a picture here and, you know, there's maybe a few objects I can fly to. But I'm actually beginning to believe I can fly to any one of these dots. What the hell? This is like some apocalypse simulation right here. I have to check this out. It's like a gas giant and maybe a brown dwarf star or something. What the hell? There's like dots right there. Space is ridiculous. There's so much out there we don't know about. I mean, it could be all fictional. It could be a lot of fictional stuff that's just made for the game, obviously, because this stuff has to be imagined, but it could be stuff that's all theoretically possible. It's got to imagine if there's civilizations out there that, you know, are in that right Goldilocks zone and, you know, it has all the right habitable conditions and you get views like that. Like, you actually get a view of, you're orbiting a big planet like Jupiter or something, or maybe they're in a binary star system and they get to see that every day. You got 2 suns, but you can fly to every single one of these dots. I'm gonna fly to this dot right here. I'm gonna focus on this one right here. I'm gonna see if I can get to it. May not be, I just want to see if I can fly past it, so I can verify that it's actually a star that I can visit. It says I'm 500 light years away from it. I can totally reach that shit. Oh my god. Wait, I saw it's, wait, is this binary? Is this a binary star? Getting brighter. Almost there. I've almost reached the stars. Okay, right there. Right there. Slow it down even more. Slow it down even more. Come on. Get the relative velocity to be 0. Come on. It's like, it was worse than Kerbal Space Program. I don't know, and there's probably like, there has to be tools, I guess, that I just don't know, but this is my half-assed way of doing it the hard way, like always. Oh my god, I can see it now! I can see it! We are here. Slow it down, slow it down. Oh my god, I can see the star. Such ominous music. We have found the Holy Land! But is there a planet to go along with it? We do not know. Wow. Oh! Oh! Oh, slow that shit down! Okay, why did that explode, but not the actual sun? Why can I not pop this thing? Now it just looks like this thing made a gigantic fart. Look at that. We made a ghastly.